Here we go. One day left before I go to Everest, and I've got the kit laid out. Goodness knows how I'm going to fit this into 2 bags. I just have no idea. But look, let's give this a go. So let's start with some of our tech. So we've got power banks. These are -40 power banks. These hopefully won't freeze when I get up high. And of course, an essential Insta-X5 with selfie stick. A solar charger here that unfolds, which is to get power when I can't get any power. We've got GoPro chargers and GoPro batteries, as well as microphone here for cameras, lens replacement kit for the 360. We've got travel money, we've got Jumar and carabiners, a figure of 8. We've got head torch, buff to try and get some of the cold air out of your throat so you don't get the Kathmandu cough. -20 sleeping bag, and helmet with GoPro attachment, crampons, and of course the essential 8,000 meter boots. These ones have heated elements, so we've got heating elements here which go into here, and we've got the heating pads here for the sole. Freeze for some smaller peaks, and hiking shoes to get up to base camp. We've got 2 lots of poles here, kindly provided by Lecky, who are amazing. We've got water filter here, bottle, climbing gloves, and 8,000 meter summit gloves. Very warm balaclava, here it is, and running shoes or hiking shoes, barefoot hiking shoes, which I love. Hats, waterproof trousers, lots of warm jumpers and trackies and t-shirts and down jacket. We've got pillow for when we go to summit, as well as a famous Nalgene pee bottle. Socks, buff essential, carabiners and harness for climbing. We have 2 pairs of sunglasses, and of course lots and lots of memory cards. These are for all sorts of devices. Right, we've got the ice axe here with an ice axe leash, and we've got a tripod, ski goggles with 2 pairs of lenses, and Vaseline and hand sanitizer. Spare trekkie bottoms, toothpaste, pulse oximeter, hand warmers, adapters, sleeping mat, suntan cream, sunblock, lip seal, electrolytes, organic Celtic sea salt, amazing stuff. And we've got a Starlink, yes, so we can get internet. And a few other bits and pieces. We've got a chocolate bar. This will be my first chocolate bar in 8 years. Some altitude patches, sickness patches. These are herbal altitude sickness patches. I have no idea how they're going to work. And we've got a spoon, and some bags and some wet wipes here. And essentials are things like Compeed, in case you get a blister. You do not want to get a blister. So these hopefully prevent getting blisters. We've got a GoPro holder here, and finally I've got my Garmin InReach packed up because this was meant to be shipped to Nepal ahead, but DHL missed their slot and didn't pick it up. You're not meant to transit with this, but I have no choice because I leave tomorrow. So this is my kit, and I'm pretty much ready to go. Let's do it.